Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to see how to recover or delete your hacked account. For that, go to any browser and search for Facebook hacked account. Then open the first link, and here are two options that if you think your Facebook account was hacked, or help your friend recover their hacked Facebook account. If you have your personal account been hacked, then click on this. There are all the conditions which might have happened. Then click on the visit this page and select my account is compromised. From here, add an email or your phone number, and then add your old password or a current password you remember, and then click on continue, and then you will be asked to choose your account. Choose it and your account will be recovered. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel.